Happening kajing jongshit kamtam na kajing ai jing kershan warat ba jong upaj ba ya ka Shillong Lajong Henry ha kajing yakun ha ka semi final kapla pelong hanin ke Janwet kala penjau slew ya kipaj ba namar ka Shillong Lajong FC kala syak penlim no ha kajing yakun semi final dalai la not ha ka North East United Football Club kapla yok bendrung sendan ha ka sin ke beningong syak ka final jong ka Duran Cup Arkol ha ka kelas step bala tap da uthoi sing Badunong tap call ka Morocco o Aladdin Ajareye, nalor ka call ka bla tap da ka por benrap jong ka Kelamit da upar tap gagoy. Kalab yang purai ka kenhun North East United Football Club ban Thaw ka history ha ka Duran Cup. Kandairu ka jingi kun final ka bahedu jong ka kenhun nadu bakalami pertai. Upai ba bapalat katsan hajar ngut ki bakambun ki de ki try snong. Tang hadin ka khatlai minute jong ka jingi kun kila kande bat sngap jar na ka jingi kenhoy ya risa. Hadin ke jing tap call uthoi yau balap mi bujli do coach na Spain ujuan Pedro Ben Ali but kham tam hadin ke jing yo tap biang sau ajaraye haka minute ka balai pulai ka kanhun kirang elekai ka Shillong Lajong kila yakun doyap banyak benpai ya call Henry ke jing don urang elekai ka North East United Football Club kum Muhammad Ali Memammer Hapring Madan kala penjam knap ikirang ke Shillong Lajong hasua ka jingyo tap gol sa partip ha ka khandai pulai minit ka kenhun ke Shillong Lajong kala persangkal bala handai ke North East United Football Club kala la ban penile kai ba sedin nalor ka jing pentur ya kirang tap gol shikmat ka bala lam sa ka jingyo tap ya ka gol ka balai da partip kat ba ka jingi kun ya ka final la antar bakan long ha ka lai poi terek minta ubanai hapo ka jela Kolkata.
Ball, look at that. Nobody really attacking him. He takes a swipe at the goal, dips in front of the goalkeeper. He's always been ready over there to take that stroke. Nice layoff, and right in the center, he's got two options. Oh, that was a deflection from the defender. Lucky goalkeeper really showed his reflex so beautifully.
The two changes he's made to the starting 11. Well, as things stand, North East United are going somewhere they've never gone before in the history of the club, and that is the final of a competition. Their best ever performance in the ISL semi-finals 2020-21. East United have found themselves a spot in the final of this edition's Duran Cup.
And that's the pass that came in from Hamza. Simply nobody there to attack him, getting inside the box. Look at him, so much confidence. He knows that the defender is there and shields the ball so beautifully and just places on the far corner.
"16 goals in the tournament, conceded just one, and which is why this team is moving into the finals of the Duran Cup." There you have it, your finalists confirmed. North East United will be contesting for that trophy come the 31st of this month. 3 goals too good on the night. 3 goals enough to get rid of Shillong Lajong in the semi-finals. All 3 goals coming courtesy of Thaw Singh, Ajare and Partip Gogoi getting the third and final goal in the 94th minute. It's full time at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong, and it's North East United who are marching on